Website. Should you have one or not? Well, clearly and concisely, the answer is yes, you definitely should. It doesn't matter if you are a freelancer, small business, or an organization. Since the inception of the internet, having a website has become very essential in business. And the reason is that your customers now spend time online engaging with different platforms. There are over 3.2 billion people online, 275 million in the US alone. This is a huge statistic comprising of your current customers and prospective customers. You need a website to make your business visible online and be able to convert online visitors to customers. Now imagine an online visitor comes across your site. There are plenty of text and images explaining what you do, how great your products and services are. You also have testimonials of other people who trust your product or service showing on the website. Without you being there to tell the user what you do and what your business is all about, the user already knows everything about your business from your website. This is one of the benefits of having a website, to engage your visitors even when you are not present. A website is the core of your online activities. If you consider all the marketing channels that are available, you will see that what they actually do is bring traffic to your website, because the main work of your website is to convert online visitors to customers. Unfortunately, building a website is not easy. It requires time to do it yourself or money to hire someone to build a solid website that's functional and responsive. According to statistics, less than 68% of small businesses have a website. 31% of small businesses use a social media account instead of having a website. 22% of small businesses don't have a website because they lack financial resources. The fact is, website design is a difficult task. Trust me, it's not like taking a stroll in the park. There are lots of freelance web developers that you can easily hire to help you build a website. But most of them are just a bunch of newbies with very little technical skills who will end up ruining your project. In the end, a bad website will lead to a waste of money because it won't be able to convert your visitors. Professional freelancers are quite difficult to pin down, plus they also don't come cheap. Even if you manage to get one pinned down, it might take months before your project is completed. Waiting that long for a freelancer could further delay you from getting your website and slow your business growth. Let's say you decide to do it yourself as a business owner. But here lies the problem. Building a fully functional website that consumers would interact with requires a lot of experience and research too. You'll need to sketch a good layout for the website, get eye-popping colors that will make the website stand out, write website copy that is highly persuasive and compelling. Truth is, doing it yourself will cost you time, money, and energy, and it's almost certain that your website won't be done well. Now, imagine this. What if you could get a professional web developer to design a stunning website that will help you increase customers and grow your business? Just relax and do nothing. Everything is done for you. That is where we come in. We analyze your business and give you the perfect website design that fits your goal and appeals to your customers as well. Our strategies are carefully thought out and well deployed using the latest technologies and tools existing in our industry. Not just that, we are aware of the fact that there are more website mobile visitors compared to desktop, and most businesses lose customers online because their websites are not compatible when accessed with mobile. Our team of technical experts will ensure you get a website that is fully responsive to mobile, so your customers can access the website using any device. Content is very important in telling your visitors about your business, especially when you are not there. So we implore the help of our copywriters to develop website content that communicates well to your visitors. We don't want you to just have a website. We want your website to also sell to customers. Our team of marketers will carefully add the call to action triggers and buttons to get customers to take action when they land on your website. We won't stop there. We also help you in maintaining your website and fixing bugs when necessary. Think about it. You'd barely see anyone who's offering a similar service like ours. We are passionate about the service we offer to our clients, helping to build stunning websites that will attract the right customers and grow their business. Does this sound like what you want for your business? Then contact us immediately.